Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm beyond excited to share our new adventure with you. We are going to Tuscany in Italy. So we are exploring Italy for 6 days. We are kicking everything off in Florence, taking the car, drive to Val d'Orcia, and yeah. So I'm gonna take you with me, and this is the part 1. Alright, let's talk about the iconic Duomo, right here in the heart of Florence. This is the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore, and trust me, it's a mind-blowing thing. It's massive dome designed by Filippo Brunelleschi, oh my god, hard to spell, in the 15th century was the largest in the world for many centuries, and it still inspires architects today. Cool, right? The facade is covered in white, pink and green marble, and yeah, it took over 140 years to build, starting in 1296. Oh, and that bell tower, that's Giotto Campanile, standing tall at 85 meters. This place is pure history and beauty. I love it so much. This gelato was really good, so if you're in Florence, give it a try. Since it was already afternoon, we decided to go to the water. So we are looking for some wine and maybe some focaccia or something else to eat, and to have a little cute picnic with view to Ponte Vecchio. As the sun was already setting, we decided to go over to Santo Spirito and look for a place for dinner tonight. The restaurants were so beautiful and nice, but everything was already booked out, so we went to Santa Felicita and we found this really nice restaurant which had a lot to offer and it was so delicious. I mean, look at the pizza, oh my god. After our little morning walk, we wanted to pick up our car. Little did we know it would cost us so much extra time, but in the end we had our little Fiat Panda and started off to Valdorcia. After our little walk through this beautiful city, we decided to grab some sandwiches for a little picnic in Val d'Orcia.